Hi, and welcome to week 7. The first topic that we're going to cover this week is air pollution. We are going to look at the major sources of atmosphere pollutants, such as particles put off from a coal plant or gases that are being released from automobile combustion. We're going to look at places such as China and the industrial area in China and Los Angeles. If you've ever flown into Los Angeles, you will see that there is a layer of stable air above it, and the air below it is brown. You can actually see what you're breathing. Then we're going to, after we identify what these pollutants are, we're going to look at how they're produced, how they get there in the first place, and then we're going to look at ways that we can either stop pollution being put into the air or mitigate it so that it's at a very much less level than we're currently seeing. The second thing that we're going to look at is global warming and climate change. And you're going to have an assignment this week where you look at the different gases that are being put into the atmosphere, and you're looking to see how they can affect the climate of the world. Global warming is a concept that we're going to cover this week. What are the natural factors that can be putting gases into the air that will basically insulate the earth, and it will produce a layer around the earth that prevents heat from escaping, and so you find that the surface temperatures are higher than they were before. We're also going to look at how, if you have a warmer world, if you have warmer surface temperatures, if you have warmer waters on the face of the earth, we're going to look at how this affects not only the fact that the temperatures are rising, but if you have warmer water and different wind patterns, what you'll see is that you have large changes in climate. You may see an increase in typhoons in India, which cause flooding, or you may see areas where there's drought in the United States or in Africa, and how this is affecting the people. So we're going to look at the integration of the factors that can cause the climate to change, if we are causing the climate to warm, and then the resultant effects that we have from this. We're also going to look at the ways that we can mitigate this and find ways that if there's to slow or even stabilize it, and also even reverse the effects that we have created or that the earth and geological systems have created. So that's basically what we're going to look at this week. You're also going to look at acid rain and ozone depletion. So if you have any questions, send me an email and I'll get back to you. Thanks.